How to get refund from Burger King. To get a refund from Burger King, first determine how the order was placed. If it was through the Burger King app or website, visit the Contact Us section and fill out the online form. For third-party delivery services like Uber Eats, DoorDash, or Grubhub, contact their customer service directly. If you ordered in person at the restaurant, contact the restaurant directly, but they may only offer a replacement instead of a refund. Gather your order details. Describe the issue such as missing items, incorrect order, and provide any supporting evidence like photos or videos. Then, submit the online form for app or website orders, or contact the delivery platform's customer service for third-party orders. If you paid with a credit card and are not getting a resolution, dispute the charge with your bank. Keep records of your communications and responses, and be patient as the process may take time.